Welcome to Ascendance Edu-Tech. Today's session we are going to learn a very important thing about Format Painter. What is the use of Format Painter in Microsoft Word?
Your future starts here. Welcome to Multidimensional Training Institute Ascendance Edu-Tech. Master computer skills, programming, and English communication through practical, industry-focused training for students, professionals, and aspiring achievers. Learn, grow, succeed. Join Ascendance Edu-Tech today.
So, here we are going to learn how can we use this Format Painter practically. So, let us move to the practical session. So, what I will do, I will write a paragraph like this. Now, if you notice, see there are 4 paragraphs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 paragraphs are there. Now, each and every paragraph, this entire contents is written with a particular font like Calibri. Now, what I want this paragraph should be written with a different font like Arial Black. Now, after that, what I would want to do, I want this paragraph, this last paragraph should be also of Arial Black. So here I have made some changes regarding the font. This is a traditional process. Now what I want to do the same thing with the Format Painter tools. What I will do, I will select this particular first paragraph. I will click on this Format Painter. Now what I want to apply the same font in the third paragraph. So what I will do, I will select that third paragraph and I will drag the mouse. Now see, things got changed. So this way, what we can do, we can use this Format Painter for formatting purpose. So this is the use of Format Painter in Microsoft Word. Hope you have learned the use of Format Painter, and so please share your comments, your feedback in the comment line so that we can understand your learning level. Thank you.